Alright, so the last of the four here. So this one here is a System 4 MPU. So I've just got it populated with the Stellar Wars IC14. So basically we did all the 0.156 headers. We've got, let's see, 9 sockets in total. We had a bad 7402. We replaced the crystal, added a coin cell here, did the interconnect as well as the filter capacitor, and we had 5.01 UF capacitors that we had to replace due to the alkaline abatement. And so I think that basically covers everything there. So again, we replaced all the sockets here, especially for the processor, which is an AMI, and then also for the 6821 and the game ROM sockets. Then we also re-socketed the clock chip here as well and replaced the crystal, and then always replace the round pin headers here on these old boards. They're complete crap, especially after 40 years. Interconnect on the driver board, we added a blinking LED, went ahead and replaced all of the 0.156 headers, socketed the PIAs here on the driver board. Williams sucked with some of these runs. They would clip the legs like flush with the board, which is, makes for terrible solder joints here on these. So I went ahead and replaced all 3 of the PIAs on this one. And let's see, we did the filter capacitor, and then we also had solenoid 14 was locked on. So we replaced both the pre-driver, which is a 2N4401, as well as the TIP 102, and we are 100% back up in business. So again, I keep forgetting to switch that. So we've got audits, so we'll do a quick power cycle here. So we've got high score to date, last game played, lamp matrix dancing there, and the only coil that's on is the coin lockout, the notorious, or with the flasher going on here as well. So we'll go ahead and get this thing into test, going through all the digits here on the display. All those are working. And move into lamps. And as you can see, all the lamps are working correctly. And next test is going to be solenoid test. So testing through all 16 of the standard solenoids. And the coin lockout will extinguish. And so on these System 4 boards, it tests 2 and then 1 and then 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we'll watch the coin lockout for solenoid 16. We'll test there. So, and then we'll go ahead and test the switch function of the special solenoids there, and those are all working correctly. And going through, we'll test the switch matrix diagonally. And last switch on Stellar Wars is going to be switch 54. So, and switch 53, 54. So we are 100% working once again. And we'll go ahead and reboot it. So there you are. Thank you so much for sending it. I greatly appreciate it.